Hello everyone, welcome back to 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Here I'm Walt, bringing you part 28. A pretty interesting principle once again, and this one is to say no to yourself. Now, this one's a little bit interesting because a lot of people have kind of a self-indulgent pattern. A lot of people constantly are just saying, oh, but I kind of want to, so I'm just going to. They're constantly just saying, oh, I'll just watch another episode, and they don't really get the work done that they want to. Now, some of that can be chalked up to perfectionism and fearful emotions, but some of it's also just like a lack of willpower, a lack of that kind of stuff that we talked about previously. But this part's true focus, what it's really focusing on, is that it's all about discipline. And so he says here a pretty great idea that discipline is really to be your own disciple, to learn from yourself here. And that when we say no to ourselves about some things, our willpower grows stronger. So really it's building on the previous principle of willpower and making that kind of a stronger muscle once again. So previously we were talking about willpower, seeing how we could gain more of that. Well, here's a way to do it. Say no to yourself with some things. Now, some people have the opposite problem where they are always saying no to themselves and they're always denying themselves things they want. This, once again, is going to be a balancing act, okay? So you really want to balance saying no to yourself and also saying yes to yourself. Don't be overindulgent. Don't be basically don't be overly strict, don't be overly indulgent. It's like the authoritative parent of the situation instead of either your extremely indulgent parent or your authoritarian parent. And so it's really the balancing act there. If you haven't heard of that parenting style thing, look it up, because your subconscious mind is going to treat you a lot like you treat others. So treat yourself as if you're the parent of your subconscious mind, and it will grow better like any child would. Regardless, the main idea here is that we can say no to ourselves, and a lot of people should more so, and that we should balance that properly. Say no to yourself some of the time at least, and you can build your willpower and therefore your motivation. That's about it for part 28. I will see you guys next time with part 29, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.